Hey, what's up, guys? So I have this desk lamp, and it works to a degree. Problem is, can't get it turned off. You want to turn it off? You gotta go under here and unplug it. So what I have, ran out, picked one of these up in your local hardware stores. I think I got this one from Lowe's for a couple bucks. I'm gonna show you guys how to change this. It's super easy, super simple, and that way I can avoid having to toss this lamp and get another one. Save some money, real easy. Let's get to it. Alright, so I already have the lamp unplugged. I go ahead and take this bulb out. And this is pretty simple. I'll show you with the new one. So these actually unscrew just like that. That's where the light bulb would have obviously went in. And then it comes out like that. And then we will just replace the wires as they are. Screw it back together. And hopefully we'll have a working lamp. So let's... Alright, so you can see that. We just have to unscrew that. And that'll release the housing for the light bulb, and then we can literally go ahead and install the new one. And this housing, as long as it screws on there, is fine. There's nothing wrong with this. So to save me the hassle of having to take this off, I'm going to cheat and just keep using this one. Okay, just undo the wires like so. It doesn't matter which ones you put, which one you go to reinstall it. Not any way to really mess that up, which is always nice. So a good idea before you get going is to go ahead and unscrew both of them, just so all you gotta do is put the wire around them. Should be good enough. Wrap this wire just like that and tighten down. Same thing with this one. If you can see, I'm just kind of making a hook shape with the end of the wires, putting it around the screw. If I can get, this one's a little bit shorter than the other one, so it's being a little bit difficult. And then I'm just kind of applying a little bit of pressure by pulling back to keep it in place as I screw down so the wire doesn't pop out. And it looks like there's a good connect. And then I'm just going to pop this in place. We'll use the new one. Goes right on. Put the bulb back in. I need to tighten this lampshade too, apparently. Let's plug it back in. See if we